Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. We're not in any trade. Good morning, Golden Dragon, Rohit. Playing Bagel George. Good morning, everyone. Kim, A Blank, Fabian, Gedas, Audrey, Cole, Smiley, and William. Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Hope you guys had a wonderful 4th of July. Good morning, Jenny. Good morning, IXGCXI, Isa Y. AB, good morning, guys. Good morning. But yeah, man, I hope you guys had a fun 4th of July. Good morning. Zaid A, Capo, Plain Bagel. Yeah, I'm currently streaming on YouTube as well, but not on Twitch. It's just YouTube and TikTok. Okay, so we've got news. At 2 p.m. we have FOMC minutes. I'm leaning short today. The next few days I'm gonna be a bit bearish because Apple is very overextended to the upside. Let me know if you guys could hear me properly. Can you guys hear me properly? Like, the music is it too loud, or can you guys hear me above the music? All right, cool. All right, perfect. Yeah, so basically guys, I have a major announcement today at 6 p.m. Today at 6 p.m. I have a very, very, very major announcement. (6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time). Huge announcement. Huge announcement today at 6 p.m. I'm gonna be going live again. I'm gonna be going live on I'm gonna be going live on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, everything. 85. If your option chain and stuff is messed up on the brokerage that you're using, first try to restart it. But this is a good reason why it's good to have multiple brokerages, basically. So I would recommend restarting it. Is that helping everyone? Like, I mean, All right. I want it as close to high of day as possible, and then we're gonna take short. I'm gonna take a light SPY puts. I'm in light SPY puts. Really light. This is showing a lot of strength, but 444 444.23 is major resistance on the SPY. The NASDAQ 370.86 is major resistance. The IWM is showing a really bearish pattern. I'm okay with holding these, to be honest. Make sure if you guys are watching this on YouTube, like the stream. If you guys are watching this on TikTok, double tap the screen. Double tap while the trade is working in our favor. Double tap the screen. Real quick, double tap the screen real quick before you guys have to start taking profits, hopefully. So, double tap that screen. So far, this is what we want, right? It reversed off of a level of resistance. 443.23 was a major resistance level. We wicked above it and painted a red candle. That's what we need for a bearish setup. And now we just need to basically see if we get another like crack down lower. So while you guys are double tapping the screen, hopefully it gets another nice crack down lower. Beautiful. Take a little bit. Take a little bit of profit. Take a little bit of profit. A little bit of profit. And then let the rest ride. And then let the rest ride. Now just don't let the contracts go back red. Double tap the screen. Double tap the screen, guys. This is exactly what we needed. Very, very simple. Resistance, right? 443.23 was the resistance. We wicked above it and painted a red candle. That is super, super bearish. That's not a bullish setup at all, guys. It's not a bullish setup at all. Even so, I wanted to go short high of day, right? Okay, we wicked above high of day a little bit. That's okay. Doesn't matter. Those were the levels. Not everything is going to be completely perfect on the penny. But that's why we continue holding, guys. That's why it works out regardless, guys. Easy, 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 easy money. When everyone was starting to go long up here, guys, you can't do that. You cannot do that. Easy money, guys. You definitely don't want to be going long here. But bulls want this to remain below 443. This is a really risky long, to be honest. So, yeah. So one of the reasons why I am leaning a bit short, or leaning a bit like bearish for the next few days, is because Apple is very overextended. But I don't want to just trade purely based off of Apple's overextension to the upside. Yeah. I'm not holding any more. Concept is you take profits, let the rest ride, and don't let the contracts go back red. We don't get married to any position, any direction, nothing. Right. So what I do is once I get to at least around 10% profit on the contracts, I sell some, because what I do is it's important to have base hits. Not every trade is going to be a complete home run. It's important to have base hits because base hits add up. And even if you sell your entire position at 10%, that's still a very high quality trade that setup that you were taking, that you sold at 10% profit on the position. So you can't be upset about that either. So I do it, so I base my exits based off of percentage gain, right? And I also base my exits off of retests to support. So if we're shorting at a level of resistance, once we get to like major levels of support, that's when I would also sell. Hope that helps. Welcome to the stream, everyone. Welcome to the stream, everybody. Hope you guys made money. NASDAQ is showing a bear flag. All right, we got this. Let's see what the next trade is going to be. We got this. See what the next trade is going to be. So again, you know, today is the first day after July 4th, and we have FOMC minutes coming at 2 o'clock. So again, it's going to sort of be another like dry sort of day. I was telling you guys today and Monday we're going to be a bit not really stagnant, but like they're not going to be huge movement days. As you can even see, like you can imagine like not many people are going to be trading right now, right? Like it's the day after July 4th. People spent time with their families. People are on vacation. $443.23 is still acting as resistance. $370.86 is still acting as resistance on the NASDAQ. The IWM resistance at 186.11. We have to see, because that last candle was a very bearish candle. 100%. That last candle right here was very bearish. So let's see if that was going to be a bull trap. So far, it looks like it's going to be a bull trap. So we need to see how they're going to respond to all of this right now. Clearly some chop going on. Now we're just waiting. Once again, you know, we're at a level of resistance, but they are playing around with people. All right, so people that went short down here, they ripped it to the upside. And once again, you know, people who went short down here, again, they ripped it to the upside. So let's see. Hello. Ooh. I'm in lotto SPY puts. I'm in lotto SPY puts. This is really risky. Lotto, basically a lotto. Like, this is really super risky. But I want to take it out of not having FOMO, to be honest. SPY puts. The puts are paying terribly right now. Puts are paying absolutely terribly. Basically, this is just gonna have, like, this is a really small lotto position. Super risky. Super risky small lotto position. My stop loss is most likely going to be around like 65 cents. But yeah, guys, so basically, if you guys are new, you guys are watching the stream, you guys have any questions or anything like that, send me a DM on Instagram or on Discord, and I'll send you guys a bunch of books and courses for free, completely for free. I'll get you guys started on how to trade, everything like that. So just send me a message on Instagram or on Discord, and I'll send you guys everything that you need completely for free. Right now, we're in a very risky trade. I'm not really that happy about it, but we're just keeping it small and light. And the first trade that we took worked out beautifully. So this one, let's see. Well, let's see. Let's see. We're in a very light position. This basically just needs to remain below high of day. And so far, doesn't want to. Let's see. Let us see. My Instagram name is the same as my TikTok. So whenever I say that I'm getting into calls or puts, we're getting the at the money calls or puts that expired today. So we're getting into the July 5th contracts, expiration contracts. And right now, for example, right, if you look at the option contract, option chain, if I say that I'm getting into puts, it would be the 443 puts. And if I say that I'm getting into calls, it would be the 444 calls, unless I specify otherwise. But yeah, this is just a very light, really, really light position. Like, this is, I just wanted to take it, but this is not a safe position at all. And clearly things are just chopping around. So, you know, nothing too crazy. Today, Monday, a lot of the days in the week as well, I think, are just not going to be very, very fluid. They're not going to be great days with a lot of amazing setups, blah, blah, blah. So just, you know, let's just keep it light. Let's see if these contracts hit like 80 something, you know, before taking profit. So clearly we broke down, right? The option contracts are not paying well at all, right? So now we need to see if all of the people that went short based off of this move here, they get ripped to the upside. So yeah, let's see. Yep, that's exactly what happened. What a wick. What a wick. Yuck. Oh my gosh. Oh my lord. That was pretty intense. I'm selling these. I don't want to. I'm selling these. Even though this is still not looking like, I mean, bullish, but these contracts, they drop down to like 50 cents. So. How do you get alerts when BlackRock invests? I'm gonna share. Make sure you're following me on TikTok. I'm gonna share that soon as well. But regardless, I have a very major announcement today at 6 p.m. Eastern Time. Major announcement today at 6 p.m. Eastern Time. Yeah, so this wick, we entered around in the 60s, and then it wicked down to the low 50s. So then once we came back down to the mid 60s, sold that. So right now things are just choppy. This is also another really, this is not a bullish setup, but the contracts aren't really helping at the moment. So yeah, that's why I was saying like it was a really, really risky lotto trade. Super risky. And super loose and light. But yeah. Are you selling options? No, we're just trading the we're just buying calls and puts. So here are the levels. All right. So these are the main levels. Okay. So right now on my chart, I'm looking at the 10, 50, 200 simple moving averages. I'm looking at the Bollinger Bands, the VWAP, and the 8, 13, 21 exponential moving averages. All right, that's what I have on my chart. I don't have it on this chart that you guys see because things would just get really, really messy. But that's what I'm looking at on my charts. All right. The main levels of support and resistance right now for the SPY is 443.23. 443.13, 442.85, and 442.80. All right, and then the level above all of this is 443.59. All right, so jot those down on your chart, and basically we are just, this is crazy. I mean, I had these levels painted out before the price action even started today, and we are literally just like trading within this range. And for the levels for the NASDAQ, it's 370.86. Of course, the high of 371.21 and 370.41 on the NASDAQ. So jot all of that stuff on your charts. And once again, damn, thank you guys for the roses and all of these things, man. What the heck? S_HHD1, thank you for the roses and the hearts. Mr. D, I appreciate you. This is crazy. Thank you guys. So once again, yeah, so for the options, right? Which option are you trading? We're trading the option contract that expires today, closest at the money. So if I say I'm going short, I'm getting the 443 puts. If I say I'm going long, I'm getting the 444 calls. Just be careful. Don't overtrade today. Do not overtrade. We're just gonna wait. We're going to just be patient. All right. DWAC going to $100 by next week. Yeah. So we're not in any position right now. Hamid, would you ever consider sharing your trading view chart? Oh, 1 second. This is yeah. Damn, I think we missed this short fudge. Let's see if we get another retest closer to highs. This is gonna be another risky trade because we missed an entry. Fudge. Why you play with me? Why are you doing the playing? Oh man. But yeah, that was have to be loose, like something like that. I just try to make the trades as perfect as possible, because like I know that something, oh gosh, fudge. Yeah, I just try to make, oh yeah. It is what it is. Next time I'm just gonna take it and I'm just gonna tell you guys loose. And again, like, you know, yeah. Higher time frames, I'm seeing bearish. Yeah, 100%. I'm leaning a bit bearish these next few days. Plain bagel, let's go. Let's just snag that short. Nice. At least someone did. Damn. Fudge. How much are you up, plain bagel? How much would the puts have been up? Like 20-30%? 50%? Oh, you mean you sold 50% of your position? Easy clap. Any news or event today? At 2 p.m. we have FOMC minutes. Okay. 6 p.m. Eastern is what in British summertime? I think we are 5 hours behind, so I think it'll be like 11 p.m. or 12 a.m. I'm not sure, something like that. Sajin. 20%. I sold for 25%. Nice. Took 15% on the put. Nice. Damn. So do you guys like what? So you guys are still comfortable to enter, regardless of, like, as I show like regret of not entering a trade, you guys basically still like are comfortable joining or entering? Hamid, are you gonna trade later on your stream? Maybe, I'm not sure. Nick, they did not reward the late bears. Yeah, not at all. Just 2 little candles, and then the third candle they ripped it a little lower, and it's crazy. AB, I entered the trade because you mentioned it before it fell. Yeah. Fabian, puts still paying bad. Yeah, usually, I mean, so when the contracts don't pay well, right, there needs to be moves like this that even out the contract, basically. Like the premium, like it's very stagnant right now, right? Things like this, like big moves like this need to happen, and then the option contract will start to loosen up. Does that make sense? Like you're gonna just, you'll see as you'll see. But hopefully, right? Hopefully we see more moves like this, even if they are only 20-30%, when normally moves like this would be like 40-50%. We need more volatility like this so that the option contract basically loosens up. What's at 6 p.m. Eastern time today? A major announcement. A major announcement at 6 p.m. Eastern time. Currently I'm not holding on to anything. We're not in any trade right now, so I'm just waiting. Trev, what would Lil Mikey do? Lil Mikey would go long. Lil Mikey would go long. Lil Mikey would have already been long. But Lil Mikey would be going long right here. 100%. Sean, hey Hamid, how was your July 4th? It was good. Rested. It was thunderstorming. Basically all of my friends and everyone were just really busy. We didn't barbecue. It was raining. So I just got work done. Rested, chilled. Simple. I hope you had a great day as well, man. Hopefully your major announcement is good news and not something like you quit YouTube. No. No. Mm-mm. Yeah, no, definitely not. Over that Hive Day push, yep. Thing is though, Lil Mikey sometimes wins. Yeah, but he wins like just enough for him to continue trading. He doesn't win enough to make a living. Like he wins enough to just like continue trading. Like, wow, like this worked. There's a chance. Like, he trades and wins enough to want to keep trading, basically. That's how we all were starting off. Like, none of us were perfect at trading, but we saw, like, I mean, I don't want to have like a serious conversation about like little Mikey, but we all started trading, but we saw like glimpses of greatness. We were just like, holy crap, like this worked. It took me 5 minutes and I made $10. What the heck, you know? So stuff like that. Little Mikey also sees that. And then, you know, get caught up doing the math. It's like, what the heck? I just made $10 in 5 minutes. That's how much per hour, blah, blah, blah. I make more than that. And blah, 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 blah. No. Yeah, I used to be Little Mikey. We all used to be Little Mikey. What are the two purple lines? These are the this is the Bollinger Band on the 1 minute chart. Man, price actions. Garbage. So once again, everyone, the indicators that I'm using, just this is literally what I have. All right, so just 1 second. 1 moment, please. Yeah, just 1 second. I'm gonna explain in detail like all of the different indicators that I have. 1 second. I'm just trying to see if God damn it. All right, these are the indicators that I use. All right, on my chart, this is exactly what I'm looking at on the 1 minute time frame, on whatever time frame. The 10, the 50, the 200 simple moving averages. The 8, the 13, the 21 exponential moving averages. The VWAP and Bollinger Bands. I don't really pay attention to the RSI or the MACD when I'm scalping at all, to be honest. 10, 50, 200 simple moving averages. 8. 8, 13, 21 exponential. 10, 50, 200 simple, VWAP, and Bollinger Bands. And then the main thing is support and resistance levels. Support and resistance levels are very, very important. Man, this is terrible. It's really just ugly price action. I would love for it to come back closer to 443.60 and then go short. But the puts aren't paying well at all. This is gonna have to be another like really loose put play. Another small. Wow. Do you use Fibonacci? Yes. I got puts at 443.50. Good luck, man. I hope it works out. I hope it works out for you, my brother. Just be careful. Not a good idea to long. It's really just weird. It's not really fluid at the moment. The market is pretty choppy. Like, you have to like zoom out and look at what's going on with the market. And it's forcing you to basically be loose with support and resistance levels. So you can't really have like tight stop losses. You get it? So for example, if you were to go short at like 443.40 and you're like, all right, I have a stop loss at high of day, right? High of day gets taken out. And then it would just be, you know, the trade could go in your favor afterward, but they're not adhering properly or clean. They're not adhering cleanly. I'm not sure. Does that make sense? Yeah. But yeah, everyone. Regardless, I have a very major announcement today at 6 p.m. Eastern time. I'll be going live on everything at 6 p.m. So definitely tune in. I'd love to see you guys there. We're making history together. This is a very, very historical moment. This is a very, very historical moment. And I'm blessed to be able to do this stuff with you guys. And I can't thank you guys enough for all of your love and support. Everyone that's been there, like, from day one. Everyone that's been here during the live streams. Everyone that's supported. Everyone that tunes in. I can't thank you guys enough. We're gonna change the game forever. Forever and ever. Forever and ever. This whole retail trading game is about to be flipped on its head. Not just this. This is not even including the crypto bot. This is not even including the crypto bot. So, yeah, this is crazy. Honestly, it's like life just works out. Honestly, all you need to do in life is just believe that everything is going to work out. Have faith, regardless of how tough things are in the short term, that you're just going to keep pushing forward. If you just continue pushing forward, regardless of how difficult things are in the short term, you're supposed to feel stress. That feeling of stress is not supposed to be a deterrent. You're supposed to like give it, you're supposed to chase after it. You're supposed to like lean into it. If you feel stress, good. You're supposed to continue feeling stress. And then eventually, as you continue putting yourself through that stressful situation over and over and over again, it won't be stressful. Imagine doing the same. Imagine, like when we were children, right? When we were children, we were taking tests, we were taking exams. That was very stressful for us. Now we have bills to pay. Do like exams in the 3rd grade compare to having to pay bills? Of course not. So you continue doing things that push your threshold for. You continue doing things that push your threshold for pressure or pain or like stress, then eventually it won't even be, it'll be like a walk in the park a few months down the line of consistently doing it. It's like, it's the same concept with the gym. At first, curling 15 pounds is heavy. And then eventually you're curling 25 and 30 pounds, etc., etc. So yeah, I hope that makes sense. And regardless, guys, you just have to have a positive frame of mind for everything that you do. Work hard. Be patient. And I've just been blessed to have you guys in my life, honestly. Like none of this stuff would be possible without your guys' support at all. Like if you guys were not nice, and if you guys were like negative and like just none of this stuff would be possible. So anything from this point on, like anything that I'm even doing to help people or anything like that, you guys are literally like reasons for it. Because none of this stuff would be possible. Like your support like is the reason why I'm able to do all this stuff. So I really hope you guys like understand. I hope you guys understand that. Like shoot, man. Nah, it's not the crypto trading bot. Shoot, man. Like oh my gosh, bro. Guys, like fudge, man. I'm telling you guys, like every single person in my life, like they're all just like why aren't you charging? Like they see the results for all this stuff. They saw the results for the bot. They're just like, just charge $1. Just charge $5. Like this stuff, I'm telling you guys, on crypto Twitter, people charge. First of all, they don't even have something like this. I could easily charge $100, $200 a month, easy, and you guys would be willing to pay 150 million%. But it is what it is. It is what it is. I'm not here for money. I'm here for legacy. And at the end of the day, like, I don't want to ever have to charge people for anything. And it is what it is. Real recognize real. It's something that I live by. And it is what it is. It is what it is. No, thank you. Golden Dragon, man. Thank you. Nick. IXGCXI. Too many scammers out there. Don't understand markets. You are a breath of fresh air, but thanks, man. I appreciate you. Kineskis Gussie. Yeah, I'm gonna respond to your Discord message soon, man. Yeah, don't worry about that. Just don't. It's not that serious. I got it. Don't worry. AB, 10 years in the military, and this couldn't ring more true, my man. Damn. Thank you for your service, man. Good stuff. Shoot. How often do you go live? Every day. Yeah, cake. I'm gonna respond to your thing soon, man. Shoot. Yo, little Mikey made some money today. Little Mikey made some money today. Good job, little Mikey. 100% little Mikey made some money today, man. Congrats. Little Mikey. I hope he made money. I hope he didn't like mess up over here, but it's crazy. Armand, the people charge hundreds and thousands for live trading. What you're doing for free right now, W Hamza, for real. So yeah, basically this is my life goal since I was about 16, 17. My life goal has been I wanted to make thousands of hospitals, schools and orphanages all around the world completely self-funded. So there was multiple ways of me doing that, right? Number one, I could have charged, right? I could have been making, like at this point, if I was charging 3 years ago, I was starting TikTok and doing all this trading stuff, I could have been making like a few million a month by now, right? Just by charging in courses and like all of the things compounded easily, at least a few million a month, right? But that would never really like scale to a lot because it would be based off of customers paying, right? And then it wouldn't really like, I wouldn't get to that like level of help internationally, right? So what I'm doing now is I'm trying to make people around me rich so that when I do start like putting money towards these other projects and everything like this. I've already been managing a nonprofit organization since I was 17, sorry. And we have branches in 7 different countries, right? So I already have like experience with this. But my goal now is basically like make people around me rich. And then it's like, hey guys, you guys all make money. I'm trying to make a hospital in this country. Throw whatever money that you can into the project. We'd really appreciate it. Boom. That is basically what I'm trying to do now. Instead of having to donate. Instead of having to charge. That's basically it. So it is what it is. I'm betting that that's going to work, and it is what it is. I'm willing to make that work for the rest of my life. And that's the thing that like a lot of my friends are just like, yo, like you're crazy. Like you could have like you could be making like a lot of people are just telling me like you just charge. There's no reason why you should be doing this. Like this is whatever, blah blah blah. You could be making a crap ton of money per month, but I don't need a crap ton of money really per month. I just need to pay my bills, need to pay my employees, I need to pay my team, and keep the ball rolling. And it is what it is. You have God on your side. Everything works out, honestly. And I'm never worried. But yeah, man. Hopefully it works out. I don't really talk about this. I never really like verbalized it, but now whoever is watching, now you guys know. And yeah, I think about it every single morning, every single night. I've been thinking about this literally, like, I wrote it down, I read it every day. Like, that's my goal. Like, I really want to make thousands of hospitals, schools, and orphanages all around the world. Completely self-funded, everything. Like, my tolerance for stress, like me personally, right? Like, my tolerance for stress and my ability to make money is like high. I'm not gonna, like, you know, whatever. But so instead of guys like putting 300,000-400,000 to a Lambo, right? That can literally feed thousands of kids. Like 300,000-400,000, like they're like, depending on the country, right? Depending on the country that you are trying to go and like make a orphanage, for example, it costs like $20,000 to make an orphanage for like 100 kids for the year. So it's like, like I really always wanted like really nice cars, but it's like that is I never really liked getting nice things because I never wanted to attach my it is what it is, man. Maybe I might, but there's just a lot of work to do first. You know, I might get one later on, but yeah, it is what it is. It is what it is. Yeah, but regardless, like, I'm sorry for talking, but right now, like, you could clearly see the market isn't really doing much. The next level of resistance for the SPY is 443.92. And a very important zone for the IWM is, first of all, right here at support on the IWM at 186.22. Then we have resistance at 186.74. And then the major zone for the IWM is 186.96 to 187.11. The announcement is at 6 p.m. Eastern time. That should be 3 p.m. West Coast time. That's why I love you, bro. Thank you. Gardening relaxation. I learned more about positive mindset from you, who is half my age in trading. Thank you so much. I'm really happy I could help. Your name is very relaxing. You better not be retiring, nah. Something in my religion, I'm sick. It's called Sewa, selfless service. That's what I feel I'm doing right now. Yeah. Siki. Green Blazer, if I ever make anything out of trading, I'll mentor or help people start a community or whatever I can to help new traders with little no capital and no money to invest in a membership program for free. Yeah, man, that's what a lot of people already in my Discord are doing. A lot of people are making good money. They're full-time traders, and they're helping people in the community as well. So yeah, man. Yeah, I am Muslim. Yes. One person donating millions isn't as strong as teaching 100,000 people making money to donate. That's exactly my point. Making millions puts money in my pocket, but teaching a lot of people how to make money, and then each donating even $1, that's where the true change comes. The more good-hearted people in the world that have money, the better the world will be. That's literally what I think. Absolutely right, Nick. Inshallah, yep, absolutely. But yeah, yeah, so everyone that sent me a DM on Discord, I'm gonna respond to it. Everyone that is new to trading, just send me a DM on Instagram, and I'll send you guys a bunch of books and courses completely for free. All right, so I have a major announcement today at 6 p.m. Eastern time. So I really, really hope all of you guys will be there. And yeah, this is gonna be the first step in changing the landscape of the retail trading environment and the retail trading market forever. So this is a very, very historical moment, and it's gonna work out. It's gonna work out. Really, really hope to see all you guys there today. And yeah, I'm excited. Very, very excited. So yeah, with that being said, guys, I'm gonna call it a stream. Early stream. We didn't really trade that much. The market wasn't really doing a whole lot, and we obviously didn't short this top, so it is what it is. So yeah, guys, with that being said, hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. I will see you guys at 6 p.m. Eastern time. And yeah, I really, really, once again, I really, really am thankful for your love and your support and everything. And yeah, it's gonna be one hell of a journey. All right, so that being said, have a good one. Yeah. Love you guys. Take care. Have a good one. See you guys. Have a good one. Love you guys.